Hello everyone, this is me Adrian, and in today's video I'm thinking to show my face while talking with you and solving a Sudoku puzzle on the site Sudoku Coach. We are here on Sudoku Coach website and I'm going to choose a hard one to not make the video so long. So, usually my first step is to add the notes. It's very easy on Sudoku Coach. Okay, then we start to inspect visually. As I already see in this block in the upright corner, we have a naked triple. So on this row, we shouldn't have any 5, 9 and 7. So I will take out the 5 from here, 5, 9 from here, 7, 5, 9 from here, 7, 5, 9 from here. Okay, and also in this block we eliminate 5, 9, 5, 9, 5, 9, and we have a naked pair. So in the block we can eliminate this 3 here and we are left with an 8. And on the column we can eliminate all the 3 and 6. We have a 3 here, 3 here, and 3, 6. That's it. I already noticed this hidden single, an 8. We fill it. And these are locked candidates, so we can eliminate this 8 and we are left with this 8 here. I will fill it and it starts to look pretty good. Okay, visually what else we can do here? Nothing else. In here nothing. Here no. In here 8, 3, 6, 3, 6, 8. I see a naked triple. So here we cannot have 3, 6. We are left with 1. Here we cannot have the 3. We have the 7. Okay. What else at the first site? Okay, let's go back. 2, 3, 4. I'm checking the columns now. I don't see anything. 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, here in this block, in the center, we have, I will press Control, we have a quadruple formed by this, and this. It's 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6, 5, 6. So all these 4 candidates, they can be found only in these 4 cells. From the other, we can take them out. Here, we take out the 6, and here the 3, 4, 6, and we are left with a 9. Yay! It looks much better. We have a 2 here and our little puzzle looks pretty. We have a 4, we have a 3. We are feeling now the obvious singles. 8, 6, hopefully it's not already solved. A hidden single here, a 3. Here is a 9. A 6, a 5, a 7, what else? 3, 4, so 2, 4, 6, naked triple. So 2, 4, 6 cannot exist in all of this. So I'll have to take out the 4 from here, from here I have to take out the 2, and that's it. And now I notice another thing. We have 1 5, 1 5 9, 1 5 9, naked triple. So we cannot have 1 5 here, we are left with 7. We take out 1 5 9 from here and we are left with a 3. Oh, sorry, I didn't move the mouse. How to... okay, back. Here we have a 3. 1 5 9. 1 5 out from here, we are left with an 8. And what else do we have? I hope you like my bed. I don't know yet how to set up the ideal background. Okay, 1 4 5 6 9 5 6 9. Okay, now I will take the notes one by one. Number 1, we have locked candidates here. Eliminate this one. Okay, but we have a naked single. We fill the 5, 1 7, 1 7, 2 9, 2 9. This is a naked pair, so we take out the 2 from here and we are left with the 6. Okay. What? I will go back to the notes. So 1. Okay. Locked candidates on this column. We can eliminate this one and we are left with number 5. Here we have a naked 1. 9. I think it's solved. It looks like. So this is it. Basically, like, without the talking, we have 6 minutes puzzle. As you can see, I used singles, so obvious singles, naked singles, hidden singles, naked pairs, and naked triples. In the next level on Sudoku Coach, which is vicious, usually you can find hidden pairs and also hidden triples. The pairs are easier to spot, but the triples, it's hard to see them with the notes just like that filled. Usually I use the colors. Sudoku Coach has an option here, candidate colors. They color the B local candidates. If you have only 2 candidates on a row, on a column, or in a block, they are highlighted and it makes the process very easy. But that will be in the next video when I will solve a vicious Sudoku. So this is done. Okay, 8 minutes. Okay, should be, without the talking, let's say it's 6 minutes. Thank you so much and take care. Bye bye.